Hello, welcome back to X Made Easy. It's been a while, but today we're going to be learning how to do multi-step equations. We learn how to do one-step and two-step equations. Multi-step equations are a tad bit harder, but it is the same logic, so it is very easy to understand. First, let's see, what is a multi-step equation? A multi-step equation requires 3 or more steps to solve. Usually for one step and two step, one step requires one step, two step requires two steps. So you can see that right there. But the key to solving is to simplify first. And then use inverse operations to isolate the variable. So sorry for my handwriting right there. I need to read that. The variable, as we know, are x, y, like the letters. So there are actually some steps in doing it. So the first is to distribute. This is a maybe if you have it or not. Distribute if I'm saying not applicable. But if you need to distribute, then you have to do that. Second step is to combine like terms. This is also an if. They might usually just have it combined for you. Yes, so combine like terms. The third step is to move the variables to one side. To one side. And the constants to the other side. And the last and certainly not least step is to use inverse operations to isolate the variable. Just going to say inverse op. So let's go. Okay, let's see an example. This is supposed to happen. It's an 11. Okay, so this one is pretty easy. So first we know from our first step is to distribute, and this is the if applicable. We don't need to do that. Next, I combine like terms on each side. This is also if applicable. They're already combined. And next is to move the variables to one side and the constants to one side. So what I usually do is I actually do the constants first. So let's try to move it from here to here. Let's try to move the constants there. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 11. So we subtract 5 to get rid of it on this side. And then whatever you do on one side, you always have to do to the other. So when you subtract 5 here, you'll get that. So this equation will next be 3x is equal to 2x plus 11 minus 5, which is also known as 6. But we also have this 2x here, so plus 2x. So we had to subtract the 2x here, because it's on this side. Subtract it here. Now we get x alone. We isolate x, and x is equal to 6. Great job. Okay, next problem. This one is going to use our steps. So first is to distribute. So what we can do here first is 2 times 3y. We just distribute. We know the distributive property. We get 6y is equal to, not equal to, 6y. 2 times negative 4, which is also known as negative 8, is equal to 10. And then what we do, this one is an easy one. This is not the multi-step. I mean, kind of is, but. So we add the 8 here to move the constant. So your goal of doing this is to make we have to isolate the variable, of course. So we have to move the variables to one side and the constants to the other side. So we add 8, this cancels out on this side. We get 6y is equal to 18. Then we divide it by 6, we get y alone. So y is equal to 3. I'm actually going to show you another way. It's not going to relate. I mean, it is going to relate. This is also one of the if applicable statements. Without doing all the distributed property, you can actually divide the entire thing by 2 at the beginning. This will get rid of this 2, the 2 will cancel out. Then 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Then we get 3y minus 4 is equal to 5. And then we add 4. We have 3y is equal to 9 divided by 3. Y is equal to 3. Same as before. Right? So it's an easier way. You can do this as well. Okay, next problem. This one is similar to the first one. So 4a minus 5 is equal to 2a plus 7. So let's put the 5 here, 5 here. We have 4a. I'm just going to make that a different color. It's probably hard to see. Plus 5, we have 4a is equal to 2a plus 7 plus 5. This is equal to 12. Then let's isolate the variable now. Now this is going to just be like a 2-step equation. Yeah. So minus 2a. 2a is equal to 12 divided by 2. And a is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is also known as 6. That is the answer. Okay, now try these practice problems on your own. I'm actually going to show you the answers right after, and then I will work through it with you guys. Okay, pause the video, try these out. Okay, these are the answers. So check them. If you have something wrong, then I'm just going to go over the problems right now. Okay, we have 5x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 8. So I'm going to add the 2 on both sides. 3x plus 10 is going to equal to 5x minus 3x to isolate the variable. And then we'll have 2x is equal to 10 divided by 2, and x is equal to 5. And as in our answer, x is indeed equal to 5. So basically for the multi-step equations, it's first multi-step to two-step to one-step. So that's how it goes. Next problem here. So, excuse me, 2y minus 4 is equal to 10. So I'm just going to do the method that I said that can also work. You could actually divide the entire thing by 2. If y minus 4 is equal to 5. Now we have a two-step equation. So plus 4, and y is equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. And in our answers, y is indeed equal to 9. Okay, 3a plus 7 is equal to 2a plus 12. So I'm just going to hurry these up. 1, 7. A is also 5. Okay, 6m minus 3 is equal to 2m plus 9. Add 3. Subtract 2m. So you could do this. You don't have to actually write the entire equation out again. You could just instantly just do it right then and there. But it might get confusing. You might get lost in your work. But that is okay. So 9 plus 2 is going to be this side. The 9 plus 3 is 12. 6 minus 2m is going to be that side, which is 4m. Where 4. M is equal to 3. I'm pretty sure that's in our answer as well. M is equal to 3. And then we have 4b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 10. So this is, you cannot just divide this by 4. It's going to be very weird. But here I try to distribute as in our step 1. 4b, that's not b, times negative 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12, is equal to 2b plus 10. And then here I just want to add 12 just to make our lives easier. I don't want to do it in the negative way. And then subtract 2b here. Then we have 2b is equal to, because this is this side. This is this side. 2b is equal to 22 divided by 2. B is equal to 11. And as seen in our answer sheet, B does indeed equal to 11. Okay, this is going to be your final problem, so I want you guys to try this out. This is also going to be like the last problem, but try these out. Okay, so let's see here. So 3 times 2x, I just distribute. 6x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 5 plus 3 minus 4x. 2x is equal to 5 plus 3, which is also 8 divided by 2. Isolate the variable, and x is equal to 4. Okay, I think that is the end of our lesson today. Nice work. You just learned how to solve multi-step equations. This is a crucial skill to Algebra 1, so keep practicing and you'll be solving equations like a pro. So if you like this lesson, hit that like button and subscribe for more Algebra 1 lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.